Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your IP address in your iPad. Let's start. First, open App Store. Then search Melon VPN. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. If you want to get notifications from this application, select Allow. Otherwise, choose Don't Allow. Then tap on Got It. After that, choose Ask App Not to Track. In this step, select Close. And finally, tap on Connect. Select Allow. Very fast and easy. Also, you have option to change your location to any country you like. For example, let me choose Toronto, Canada. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.